Hi Ben, what you doing?
Mildewing.
Mildewing. Getting all set up?
Yeah, I'm checking to make sure everything works. Setting up my avoider so that when I hit a tree, it goes around instead of hitting the tree.
Nice.
And
I've been following your drone. What's your name?
Larry.
Hi Larry. Part of the Seal Beach Leisure World Drone Club, yeah?
Yes.
Nice. What do you like best about it?
Getting outside, doing something.
That's it.
Something to do.
That's right.
go out there by the pier and the pier.
It's kind of hard to see with this camera, even though it's zoomed in. With the naked eye, it's pretty easy, you know? But when I'm zooming in, you're able to see it though on that screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that makes it really convenient. So I'm gonna zoom in as far as I can zoom in and see if I can see it out there.
Look up, you'll see a bit of light there.
Okay, hold on. What am I looking at, Larry?
Flashing white light.
I kind of like this Ben a lot. Oh, here it comes.
Not even expensive either.
Larry, what do you like best about the Drone Club?
Every other,
Sometime.
the words, every other. To fly, to see things with perspective, to see things others can't see that I want to see, that they want to see, that they might see.
Yours kind of cool. It has that screen on it so that you're able to kind of see it, right?
They all do.
Oh, even he has on his controller? Same thing?
You have to see where you're shooting, yeah.
Oh, I got you.
Like having a camera, don't be flying.
Oh yeah, that's better. I can kind of see it better now. Oh yeah.
A little brighter. I don't know, that might help.
Oh, there you go. That'd probably help.
Does that help?
Yeah, better. Not bad. Yeah.
Okay. I get my shelf.
Were you able to focus in on that boat?
Yeah, they I can't hear it. Water invisible. That's someday when you get
I'd rather get a sore neck.
But you got a screen right there too, right? On your controller right there, you have a screen that you're able to see through, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't have to always look up, do you?
Is that what?
You don't have to always look up if you don't want to,
Oh.
because you can look at that screen, right?
No, you have to do both.
Maybe you could bring a chaise lounge so you can lay.
There you go. A hammock, huh?
Yeah. What's your name?
Tom.
Hi, Tom. Is this how long you been flying for?
A week.
How you liking it so far?
Oh, I love it. I gotta learn how to do it. I have a grandson who flies a drone for the SWAT team
Wow.
in Colorado. And he can fly, he's got a different configuration. He can fly in a house, up and down the stairs and all that stuff. So I'm trying to catch up with him, and then he could teach me more.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Thanks for sharing. What's that sound, Larry?
Low battery.
Okay.
I've got 30% left.
Where are you at, Ben?
At the end of the pier, way back there.
Nice. What do you see?
I can see my. Hey, somebody's breaking your car right here, man. Look,
You gonna go check it out?
somebody's breaking your car.
So he's breaking in right now? Okay. Just send over a warning. This is the police. Stay away from the car. So you're flying over my car right now, huh?
Turn it buttons.
Oh, it is. You're right. Hey, Larry,
Check this out here. Watch this.
tell me, what do you got?
So watch. See the screen?
Yes.
Watch this. Let's get it.
Wow.
Kind of fun, no?
Yes.
Maybe not so much.
So you keep making do flips and stuff?
You want to see another one? You keep missing it, man.
Well, let me put my camera on it.
Well, you know,
Okay, let's see.
the fast ride is the greatest.
Okay. It doesn't seem that noisy either.
Right smack in the middle.
So how many batteries did you bring with you today?
Just have 2.
And have you burned through both of them?
Yes, sir.
Nice. How long does it last usually?
20 minutes or so.
There you go.